Hello guys, are you guys ready for the group discussion?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm so ready.
Okay, good. So today we're going to discuss about what is the factor would you consider to be more important for the hawker store to attract more customers. So what is your point of view?
So, in my opinion, the main factor to attract more customers to the hawker food store is affordable price. Every customers are very choosy about the price. If the price is expensive, they won't go there and will find another cheaper store. So, the owner of the hawker food store should provide a reasonable price to the customers. For example, the seller should make a set of a budget food which included food and drinks, and it just costs Rm 5 ringgit. Because of that, it can save their money. Other than that, for a traveler, they always need the cheapest stall to eat because they have to follow their budget. They don't want to waste their money just for the food. They will go for a hawker food store that provide a reasonable price for their food and it worth it. In addition, the seller should provide a student price because students have to manage their pocket money. So I think this is the best way to attract customers to the hawker food store. And what is your point of view?
Okay, my view is, in my opinion, hygiene is more important to engage the customers to come and eat at the hawker food. The result shows that the most important influence on the choice are hygiene factors. Primarily of cleanliness included cleanliness of the restaurant and food. So hawker food is the main part of the restaurant. So this is because in the pandemic situation of COVID-19, more the public people starting following the SOP. SOP stands for Standard Operation Procedure, and maintain their cleanliness by washing their hands and using the hand sanitizer. If the hawker food stall maintain their cleanliness and hygiene and also following the SOP standard, most of the customers directly attract to the clean shop. For instance, keep the surrounding area clean following the SOP standard so that the customer won't be afraid to eat and the hawker food and without any worries about the chronic diseases. Even though if we eat the clean place, we feel like okay, chill, right? But if we eat the clean, dirt, not clean place and dirty place, no one will come to the restaurant. So, for example, five-star hotel receiving a lot of customers because from the foreign because of the quality of the cleanliness are very clean. For example, like Hilton Hotel, I have been there. Their place are so very clean. They will their procedure are so clean. Once a customer enter in the restaurant for the first time, they have more to judge in the clean place. For example, like table, plates, even though the waiter of their appearance. So this is my point of view. What about your view, man?
I think the most important factor is variety of food. We all know in Malaysia have different races. It is Malay, Indian, and Chinese. Each race have their own traditional food.
Mm-hmm.
For example, Malay have nasi lemak, Indian have thosai, and Chinese have dim sum. Dim sum. So, the owner of food store can prepare and serve Malaysian traditional food. It can attract more customers come to food store, especially foreigners, citizens, because maybe they want to taste our traditional food. Excuse me, can I ask you something? Let me finish my point first. After that, seller can prepare and serve Western food because some people in Malaysia have because some people in Malaysia love Western food.
Even though me also.
And maybe the foreigner citizen want to taste Western food by making Malaysian people. Even they can get Western food in their own country.
Okay.
Excuse me, I want to ask you, how about some customers that doesn't like the traditional food in Malaysia? I have mentioned about Western food, right? And if the customer don't like traditional food, they can get Western food. They can eat Western food. Oh, I see. But I'm not agreeing with your point because I am thinking that my point is more important.
But not everyone consider about the price, even though McD, McDonald's, the price are all high, but they are prefer why they are buying that particular food because of their favorite food. So, but I slightly won't agree with your point one, because not every hawker stalls don't have variety of food. So how you will support your point to attract more customers to the hawker food?
They have hawker food club, and they can do a meeting and meet each other to discuss about menu, and they will decide about menu that they want to sell at their store. That can attract more customers.
But for me is hygiene is more important for me, because the hygiene starts from the cleanliness. The cleanliness starts from home. So if okay, I will ask you guys, if the place are not clean, if the flies are surrounding of you, will you eat at the shop, or will you eat the food at the restaurant that flies more got flies around the food?
Of course not.
Yeah, will won't, because not everyone prefer their eating place are dirty. So that means I feel that my point are strongly that the hygiene is very important to attract more customers from Malaysia, even though from foreign citizen, to come and eat at the hawker food.
I am totally agree with your point because I think hygiene is the key to attract more customers.
Yeah. As we can say that prevention is better than cure. We have to prevent the place first. We have to clean the place surrounding that before we get a chronic disease like food poisoning. So even
Dangerous.
yes, it can be dangerous. Even though we can get dengue fever because of flies surrounding them. So we have to avoid from that. So we have to keep the place clean.
So now we have come to end of group discussion. We strongly believe that hygiene can attract more customers. More customers come to food store.
So in one word, that all of you realize that how important the hygiene with that. So we guys are totally agree with the hygiene, not because of your point is not correct. It's correct, but hygiene is more supported to the attract customers. Even though the price also reasonable, can attract the customers also. But the main thing is hygiene. So any additional you guys add?
That's all.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.